Are you searching for a breakfast that truly powers your day, keeps you full, and supports your fitness goals? Look no further. We're diving into the incredible synergy of oats and Greek yogurt, a combination that's a game changer for health enthusiasts and fitness buffs alike. This dynamic duo isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse designed to fuel your body and mind. Let's start with oats, the humble grain that's anything but basic. Oats are a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy release throughout your morning. This means no more mid-morning energy crashes, keeping you focused and productive. They are also packed with soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan. This fiber is crucial for digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to a feeling of fullness. Incorporating oats into your diet is a smart move for overall well-being. Now let's talk about Greek yogurt, a true protein champion. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt undergoes a straining process that removes most of the whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier texture and significantly higher protein content. This protein is vital for muscle repair, growth, and satiety. The high protein in Greek yogurt helps keep you feeling satisfied for longer, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. Many varieties also contain beneficial probiotics, supporting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is fundamental for nutrient absorption and overall immunity. When oats and Greek yogurt come together, they create a breakfast masterpiece. You get the sustained energy from complex carbohydrates in oats, perfectly complemented by the muscle-building and satiating protein from Greek yogurt. This combination ensures a balanced macronutrient profile to kickstart your day. This duo provides a complete and satisfying meal that supports both your energy levels and recovery needs. It's an ideal choice whether you're fueling up for a workout or recovering from one. You're setting yourself up for success from the very first meal. This breakfast delivers an excellent balance of macronutrients, complex carbs for energy, high-quality protein for muscle support, and often healthy fats depending on your additions. You're also getting essential vitamins and minerals from both ingredients. It's a nutrient-dense meal that truly nourishes your body. The combination helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those sharp spikes and subsequent crashes. This steady energy flow is crucial for maintaining focus and avoiding cravings throughout your morning. It's smart nutrition in a bowl. One of the best things about oats and Greek yogurt is their incredible versatility. You can customize your bowl to suit your taste and nutritional needs every single day. The possibilities are truly endless, making healthy eating exciting. Add fresh berries for antioxidants and natural sweetness, or sliced banana for potassium. Boost healthy fats and fiber with chia seeds, flax seeds, or a sprinkle of chopped nuts. A dash of cinnamon, a drizzle of honey, or a splash of vanilla extract can elevate the flavor profile. Preparing this power breakfast couldn't be easier, even on the busiest mornings. For ultimate convenience, try making overnight oats. Simply combine oats, Greek yogurt, and your liquid of choice in a jar the night before, and it's ready to grab and go in the morning. Alternatively, a quick stovetop or microwave preparation for warm oats takes just minutes. Then, simply stir in your Greek yogurt and toppings. It's a quick, delicious, and incredibly effective way to fuel your body for a productive and energetic day.